your buddy Bambi, aka Teffy. Hi guys, love to see you again. Please be with me. I'm going to unboxing my present that I received from my best friends, from my friends. Please be with me. Let's have fun. Hi guys, I'm so excited to share with you my gift, the present that I received this Christmas. So please be with me. I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited because the gift that I have now that I'm going to share with you, is from my special someone, my best friend, the stranger that become my family, the stranger that become so special to me. So let's go, let's start. I'm so excited, guys. You know why? Because I didn't expect that they are so thoughtful, generous, and not only a gift that they gave to me, even I need emergency help, they were there for me. So now, today, I really love to share with you that present that they give to me. So, oh my god, let's go, let's do it. Alright, I'll start with my friend Casey. Naomi, let's start it open. You know why she gave it to me before Christmas? Because it's been a long time that we didn't see each other. And now, start this. It's from Naomi. She told me already and I've seen it already, but I really love just to share with you. So she knows that winter is coming, and this is a very good for, you know, when you're just at home, just wear like this, and the weather is so nice and all lovely, and you have your coffee, your tea, your favorite tea. Thank you so much, Casey. She really knows. She knows me well, and it's my birthday gift. So just now I'm going to unbox, because you know guys, if someone gave me a gift, I really treasure them. I don't want them to get old, to get broken, to be finished, to be out of my sight. No, I would not do that. So I just keep it there. Just keep it and then it's just for my eyes. But really, I'm going to wear this because I like the materials, and since it's winter time, so yeah, probably yes, not probably yes, definitely I will. And guys, next, here is it is the gift from Casey and from her very special someone of her, in short, her partner. And I really love to share with you guys, because I was amazed that she gave me this, because since she know me well, of course she know me because she's my best friend, and this is really my plan this year that I'm gonna have this, because I've never had this. So now I was surprised and to share with you that this is a beautiful gift from my friend Casey, and in behalf, and from her, for both of them, from her partner. And now I never had this, so there you go. Givenchy Series Rock, Givenchy Paris. So perfume. Oh my god, this is lovely for sure. This is lovely. And one more, oops, and one more, guys. Ta-da! Clarins Eye Palette. This is my favorite brand, because guys, it's been a long time I've been searching a brand, a kind product from Clarins, because I know it will be perfect for my skin. So it's an eye palette, an 18 kind of color. Look at this, so beautiful. She knows me well. And yeah, I'm going to use it for my makeup content. Thank you, Casey. You know how much I am bringing this kind of makeup. Clarence eye makeup palette, 18 ombres eyeshadow. Thank you, dear. Thank you so much. I am so lucky. Thanks for both of you. And again, I still have another gift from her, from Casey, my best friend. She is my friend, been 6 years now here in UAE. We met here in UAE in Ras Al Khaimah, and now we've been 6 years friend, and she was a stranger, and now I claim that she is my family. She know me well. She know my all dramas, all dramas in life, all struggling in life, and now she is my best friend, my sister. And now again, this is what I received from Casey again for this Christmas. And since she know me that I love this kind of gift, charan, charan, charan. Oh guys, that's it. Let's do it. I love the color. That's the color of the year, and it's my favorite color. Blue is my favorite color. Beautiful, yes. This makes me warm, comfortable everywhere. I'm going to travel, go to the beach, and she knows that I really love to do something about the scarf. I just make them like this, and if we are in the beach, we can do like this. Yeah, we can do like this. So let's go like that. Yeah, or else you have so much thing that you can do this because it's wide. They're wide and a good size, perfect size. Perfect. Thank you, dear. Since it's winter here, it's very helpful. It's very big help. Then you can do this. You can do this. One like this and like this. When it's cold, one hand, no need to cover one hand because the other hand is like if you go for drinking. Save the other hands for drinks. I'm kidding. Just think about it because that's what I used to do when we go outside. I need a shawl, and that's the way it is. Thank you, Casey. This is my Christmas New Year gift. Since this is the color of the year, yellow, gold. I know she knows that I love gold. Perfect. Thank you, dear. I love it. Love it. Buddy, what you said? Here. Swarovski. Guys, Swarovski. It's my friend from Lisa. She's in Dubai, and she knows that I love jewelry. I really love jewelry, and she knows that I never had Swarovski. Then this is what I had this year. She gave me a Swarovski jewelry then because I told her that I want a crown, a little crown. For sure, every woman when we were a kid, now and then, we're women now, we love a crown. Yeah, hopefully me and you same that we love crown. So, but I want a crown that's from Swarovski. And hopefully, I'm not sure, hopefully it's a crown. Be with me, guys. Oh, there's a thing. Alright, we're gonna read this after, but I'm really excited to open what's inside. Guess what? Guys, guess what? Ta-da! Very nice, lovely earrings, a pair of earrings. Wow, beautiful. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. I'm so excited to wear them. Oh wow, it's so classic. So elegant, so simple but elegant. Wow. Thank you, dear. Thank you, Lisa. She knows me very well. Guys, I know everyone, not everybody for sure, but everyone, yes, they are dreaming to have one jewelry from Swarovski. Thank you, Lisa. I didn't expect that you're gonna give me this kind of jewelry. Really appreciate. I never had one, and now finally I got Swarovski. Wow, thank you, dear. Thank you. Oh my god, I'm excited to wear them. All right, so whatever in this, okay, I'll see. All right, there's a card on it. Read, so for sure, an instructions how to taking care. Yes, I'm thankful what I have. Thank you so much, Lisa. I love you, dear. Beautiful. And I'm still excited what we have. All right, here the home center. When the month of December here in UAE and Ras Al Khaimah, of course, all over UAE it's cold. It's getting colder. December, month of December is colder until March. And now my Bambino, he got a blanket for me. He knows me well that this is my weakness, cold. Got it from home center, and this is for me because I'm from Asia. I'm Filipino. Scared of cold. Now I'm sure not all of us scared, but me, I know. So he is very thoughtful. My Bambino is very thoughtful. He knows me well. Nothing can hide. So he's just love to taking care of me. He's so sweet. There you go. I think I need the scissors. Yeah, because when we sit in sofa, really insist my feet in his part of his body because it's warm, and he felt sorry for me that it's just this winter. He says it's a beautiful weather and why I am suffering. I don't know why, guys. It's very cold. So, oh, there's a piece of carton in here. And there you go. Beautiful. Oh, it's perfect. Perfect, guys. It's perfect for like this weather. You can sit outside like this until here. Blanket. This is a blanket with shisha. This is beautiful with the barbecue and stuff like that when you're outside. Perfect, guys. Wow, I love it. It's so soft. That makes you warm. Guys, the materials, the textures is very sexy. So am I. Walang pa-contra. Oh my god. Winter feels. Well, thank you, Bambi. You are so thoughtful. Thank you so much. Oh, nice. So nice, yeah. When it's winter, guys, you really need something that to make you warm.
And here,
right? From Sephora. Yes. Oh my god, I love them so much for my makeup stuff because they really knows that for my content. They told me, my friend, she knows very well that I need to do something content in my channel, makeup content. So now, ta-da! Thank you, Ate Kay. Thank you Thank you so much, Ate K. Kylie birthday edition matte liquid lipstick. You know what, guys? She want me to use this because when every time we're going for ladies' night, having a drink, and then like ladies' night, guys, we're going to the pub. Oh my god! Time to time, I have to go to toilet to refill my lipstick, retouch because I eat the lipstick. And now she said, Ate K, she said, please have this because she has her own, and she told me try one of this Kylie matte lipstick, matte liquid lipstick. It's very nice, and now finally I had one, so I'm going to have one of this. Beautiful, guys. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Thank you so much, dear Ate Kai. You're so thoughtful. Finally, I have lipstick now, and I'm not gonna wash it off. It's not gonna wash out right away when we just had one drink. So for sure, it's gonna stay on at least 5 drinks. At least 5 drinks. Thank you so much, Ate Kai. They are so beautiful. I'm excited to try them on. And yes, cosmetic brown sponge. Yeah, I had 8 pieces like this cosmetic brown sponge. Yeah, she knows very well that we need like this time to time, and many items of those, and another sponge. Urban Studio Flawless Blend. There you go, sponge. It's for makeup. I'm ready for my makeup content. Charan! Abangan! Soon! Thank you, Ate Kai! I love you! I love you all! We have to move it back, because there is more coming. Oh, this is... I'm really waiting for this because Ate Gina, she told me that choose 5 of this clothes from 6th Street. And she told me I have to tell her that my sizes, what's my favorite, blah blah blah, and she let me to choose 5 dresses. So I don't know which one because I'm so excited, guys. I'm so excited. I hope so that the one that I really like is the one she bought for me. Oh my god. Let's go. It's from 6th Street. Yes. So let's open, guys. Let's open. Jeans. Oh my god, guys! Oh my god! Look at this! Look at this! Look at this! Oh my god! Wow! So beautiful! Guys, it's so beautiful! Body, shut up! This is so beautiful, guys! Oh my god, wow! I love it, I love it, I love it. I can't wait to wear it. Huh, guys? Wow! Audie, thank you so much! You are so sweet! Oh my god! You know what she said? Evan Casey, she told me that yes, I'm gonna claim it because my friends said that, 3 of them, Casey, Jenny, and Ate Gina, that I deserve a gift from my friends, even from anybody, to those people that know me, because hindi daw ako mayabang. Wow, I really claim it, huh? Sabi nila yon, hindi ako mayabang. And they are thoughtful. That's why they are thoughtful to me because they said, I deserve this. I deserve to have a present. Oh, thank you guys. Yung mga ano dyan. Yung mga ano dyan. Kung hindi kayo maniwala, pwede niyo po silang tawagan. Ate, thank you so much! Lahat kayo, sinurpress niyo talaga ako ng bonggang-bongga. Oh my God! Oh my God! Guys, I never had Calvin Klein. This is the first time I have because she knows that I really want to buy this. Blah, 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 blah. And she knows very well that I want this. Because I told her, she let me to choose 5 items and dun, dun, I received. Oh my God. Alright, and here it's from my friend Jenny. I'm sorry, it's from my friend Jenny. I have here a jewelry because she really knows that I love gold. My friend Jenny, she knows me very well, and she knows that the jewelry, kasi pareho kami ng gold na sooner or later magagamit natin ito for emergency. So, she's very sweet, she's very kind, and sabi niya sa akin, bakit ko daw siya niregaluhan? Siyempre, no? Hindi ko ba naman niregaluhan yung best friend ko? This is the very, very sweet, you know why? She gave me this. Look at guys. Beautiful. So much. She knows that I love heart shape. She knows that I love heart shape. She knows that I love jewelry, gold jewelry, because sooner or later, alam na ang balak. Alam na ang balak. Here guys, it's from Lenore. It's from Lenore. Yes. Like this. Beautiful. Beautiful. Thank you so much, my dear Jenny. Jenny, she is very kind. A beautiful person. Jenny, Casey, Lira, Gina, Ate Kai. Thank you so much. Alam niyo talaga, kahit hindi yung mga friendship ko na mga yan, we never hang out every time. We just hang out once in a blue moon. If talagang i-push namin na, tara na, magkita na tayo, sige na, magkita na tayo. Pero how thoughtful they are, diba? And Jenny, of course, I'm very happy because she gave me that as a gift. I owe money to her, and you know, she didn't let me to pay it back. Kasi gift niya daw. Oh my God! Oh my God! Alam mo yun, di ba? I really love to share with you guys. That's why I have this kind of friend. Kasi po, ang bait nila talaga. Imagine, at this moment, Jenny and Andre and her partner, this is their gift for me, and they didn't let me to pay back the cash that I owe from them. Because they said it's Christmas. I was so embarrassed. I really insist to pay them, but they don't want me to pay it back. So I am so touched. I am so blessed to have them. Thank you so much. They are so beautiful person. And I still have a friend that even they didn't give me a gift. They are a beautiful gift to me. Their friendship, their attitude towards to me, how the way our relationship, our friendship towards each other is big gift to me. So even I understand, even if they don't have a present for me, I really understand, because friendship is not a symbolic of gift, but it's just like today at Christmas, so I really don't need to do this, but please let me to do this for my channel. I'm sorry guys. Thank you. Oh my God, I'm so blessed to have you. And now there's one more. Here, the last that I got this. Charam! This one, guys. Make it closer. There you go. of wine that we received from seller. Some of this I give away already to my friend that who loves wine. There is a mini bottles that has many flavor. It's how many pieces? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26 bottle, but I have only here 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 because some of those I give it away already to my friend that who came for Christmas, visited me, and yeah, we drink some of it. I didn't let it stay. So we have here rosé. We have here rosé for those wine lover. And yeah, Rococo Premium Cuvée and Prosecco. And what else? There's lots of flavor in here, and Pinot, the Bartoli Pinot Gris, and wood-fired the Bartoli Cabernet Sauvignon. This is one, guys, Cabernet Sauvignon. And where's another one? Windy Peak Sauvignon. They knows that I love wine, so they give me a box of wine. And some of it I share already to my friend who loves wine too. And one of my friend MJ Fudge family, they give me a bottle of wine, and after that day, I really love to drink wine. So I opened the bottle that they give it to me. So I opened the bottle that they give it to me. So I don't have any proof now to show with you guys, but because it's so delicious, I love the wine that they give it to me. I can't wait. I can't wait no more. I can't wait just to see it. I want to try it. Yes, buddy, my dear. And here guys, the very special gift that I received. For me, it's very special for me because it's from my Bambino. Of course, my friends is special too, but I mean this is a different level of feelings. I mean, Charan! It's from Malabar Gold and Diamonds. My Bambino, he really knows me well. He really knows that I love jewelry. I love diamonds. So I'm going to closer, and there you go. And so let's go. I'm so excited either. I'm just so excited to share with you guys. Like this. Let's open up. Guys, it's a ring. It's a diamond ring. As you can see it. Beautiful. Yes, I'm so excited. It's a ring. It's so beautiful. Yes, I'm going to put it in my hand. Yes, it's so beautiful. I really love to share with you guys. It's a one gold ring, certain containing 60 natural diamonds, round brilliant, grading and identification of origin as mounting permits. There you go, guys. My Bambino, he knows me. He knows very well what I really want for Christmas. It's so nice the feeling, guys, that someone knows what you want, what you like, and yeah, I'm so blessed and I'm so happy. And guys, yes, my friends, my special someone, my family have a gift to me. My brother, he sent me a message and I'm so happy because I sent him a gift. I sent him a gift, and those is very special. And I'm so happy. My dad, I spoke to my dad, and I received a message from my family, my brother, my father, my dad, my tatay, at ang aking auntie, ang aking mga pinsan. I received message from them. Those is very special. A special message, guys. Kasi kahit konti lang yon at na-appreciate nila. At nagpapasalamat ako that na-appreciate nila kahit konti lang yon. Diba? And guys, before we're gonna end, of course, I have a gift for myself. I know, guys, every one of you, lahat tayo, meron talaga tayong gift for ourselves. Guys, kasi po, gusto ko talaga siyang i-flex at i-share sa inyo kasi ganito po yun. Here. Louis Vuitton. Charan, guys. I'm so happy and I'm so grateful na I have this. I got this BB Alma Roll. Guys, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful, guys. See? Guys, it's so beautiful to share with you na yung bag ko for my self-reward, for my self-gift. Pre-love po ito. It's a pre-love. Kasi hindi ko kailangan bumili ng brand new kasi wala akong pambili. Nagdrama pa, wala palang pambili. Guys, actually, lahat naman tayo, hindi natin kailangan talagang gumastos para masunod ang ating luho. Pwede pong masunod ang luho na sa mga simpleng paraan. Ayan. We don't need to spend like 50,000 pesos, 70,000, 100,000 pesos kung hindi natin kaya. Tama po ba? When we can't afford, why not to behave ourselves? Tama ba? Yes, pero kung afford man ninyo, well, I'm so happy for you guys. Kasi kung afford man ninyo, why not? Buddy, you wanna come down? Come, join with me. Kukunin ko lang si Buddy kasi he's making noise. Come here. Guys, let's continue. He's just making noise. Come here. You wanna come? Come here. So, patuloy na tayo. Patuloy na tayo. Guys, I just really love to share with you yung aking self-reward, yung aking self-gift. Kasi sobrang nagandahan po ako sa presyong kayang abot halaga. Guys, kaya po talaga yung halaga, guys. Abot kaya. Kasi po, pwede naman po mga ambisyon. Why not? Diba? If you have a dream bag and dream fashion design, why not to broke your pocket? But if you can afford, yes, you can. Yes, you can do. Pero sa mga hindi po afford like me, hindi ko po afford brand new. But I'm so happy na ito po yung self-reward ko kasi po ang ganda niya. Makikita niyo po sa personal. One day, magkikita din tayo. At sasabihin ko talaga sa inyo na follow your dreams. Follow your dreams. Kasi gusto ko po talaga magkaroon po na Louis Vuitton. Pero hindi ko po sinabi na gusto ko brand new. And kahit anong presyo. Kahit anong presyo. Basta gusto ko magkaroon ng LV, ng Louis Vuitton. So, ito na. Ito na siya, guys. Kayang-kaya, abot presyo. Pre-love po ito. Means pre-love, second hand from someone else na body from someone else na po ito. So, bakit ganyan? So, it's a pre-love. At hindi ko kailangan gumastos ng like, let's say, 10,000 pesos para lang magkaroon ako ng LV ng aking pangarap, my dream bag. Guys, pwede po, kung gusto nyo po, mayroon po dyang nabibili, may mga tao pong nagbebenta. Makikita nyo po sa kanilang Facebook page, mayroon po dyan na nagbebenta ng mga pre-love. Yes, if you are dying to have one, yes, why not? Go for it. Yes, why not coconut? Go for it, guys. Yeah? And there's another one, of course, kasi pag ambisyosa ka, no? Pag ambisyosa ka, no? Charan! Another pre-love. Guys, sobrang ganda nila kasi. Sabi ko nga, hindi mo kailangang mamulube, hindi mo kailangan. Pero kung afford mo naman, why not? Yes, sa mga maka-afford dyan, huwag nyo na po akong huwag na kayong ma-imbiyer na. Yes. Kaming mga hindi naka-afford, ito na siya. Ito na guys, pre-love bag. Hindi po kayo mamamatay pag nagsuot kayo ng pre-love. Hindi rin kayo mamamatay kung hindi kayo nagsuot ng pre-love. Tama po ba? Guys, look at this. So beautiful. This is my self-gift for this year. Guys, talagang ambisyosa talaga ako. Gusto ko talaga ng bag. Kaya, pagbigyan niyo na ako, ha? Huwag na kayong mag-i-inarte dyan. Ang ganda-ganda niya, guys. Promise, sobrang ganda. Yes, makita niyo yan. Makita niyo, guys. Diba? Sobrang ganda niya. Beautiful. Guys, pag binuksan mo, gano'n. Yes. Pero ang ganda niya. Sobrang. Ang ganda niya sa personal. Fresh. Fresh na fresh. Yan, nakita niyo? Wow, beautiful. Guys, ang ganda niya talaga. Sobrang masihan talaga ako kasi this is my self-gift. Alam ko, bawat isa sa inyo dyan, meron po kayo regalo sa inyong sarili. At ito po yung akin. Ito yung akin. I'm so happy, guys, na meron akong pre-love favorite design bag na matagal ko nang inasam-asam. Na matagal na talaga. Na matagal na talaga. And now, I have it na. Charan! Happy rampa na tayo mga day! Di ba tayo happy rampa na tayo? Oh my God! And, I'm so happy kasi nga, binigyan ako ng aking bambam ng ring. Yan. Guys, I'm so happy that this year's and upcoming year and many more years, na sana po tayo i-bless. We have a healthy life. Happy, healthy life. That's all my prayers for myself, for my family, for my friends, for my best friends, and for everyone. Happy, healthy life lang po. Those, the gift talaga na aking hinihingi from our God. Sana all over the globe. Alam niyo na yung sitwasyon natin. And guys, nakita nyo naman, sobra kong saya sa aking unboxing present na galing sa aking mga kaibigan. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much for watching. Guys, self-love. Love yourself. Yes? Treat yourself. Treat yourself good. Hello guys. Hi guys. It's me, Golfer Buddy Bambi, aka Tefi. Hi guys! Love to see you again. Please be with me. I'm going to unboxing my present that I received from my best friends, from my friends. Please be with me. Let's have fun! Please. Guys, thank you so much, my friends, Bambino, Bambi Jenny. Casey, you guys are very special. Ate MJ, thank you so much sa iyong wine at ang sarap. Ate Kay, Ate Lisa. Thank you guys. At talagang pinasaya niyo ako. Na-surprise ako sa inyong mga regalo. I love it so much. Love it so much. At sa mga hindi pa nakapagbigay, nag-aantay pa po ako. Charot. I'm just kidding. Guys, sa mga hindi pa po nakapagbigay, kung hindi man talaga kayo makapagbigay ng aking sa mga kaibigan ko dyan, Guys, hindi po ako talagang nag-e-expect. Pero po, para malaman nyo guys, yung ating friendship, masaya na po ako doon. Yung ating friendship na nagre-respetuhan tayo sa isa't isa, we respect each other, masaya na po ako doon. Being a listener, a best friend, to have laugh, to have wine, to have eat together, those is precious. Those is precious, guys. Thank you so much. I love you. I love you, my Bambino. I love you more. Buddy. I love you, buddy. Buddy's making noise. I try to get him, but he don't like. I don't know why. So, guys, thank you so much. Happy New Year. Mwah. I love you. Have a healthy life. Self-love. Love yourself. Bye. Bye. See you next time. Love you.